Kubor Baman Kisni, Awalam Shapi, the Unong Yalam News.
On the blessed occasion of Christmas, I extend my heartfelt greetings to all citizens. This sacred day reminds us of the timeless message of Lord Jesus Christ of love, compassion, service, and sacrifice. Christmas teaches us that hope shines brightest when we care for one another, especially the poor, the vulnerable, and those in need. As a nation, India's strength lies in its unity in diversity, where every faith and every festival enriches our collective spirit and inspires us to work together for a stronger and future-facing India. I wish you all joy, good health, and prosperity. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
Banyo Iki Kubor Baman Kisni, somehow and subscribe to channel Unong Yalam News. Kublai Shibu.